Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn off the ignition, pull on the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You will then be able to see the diesel filter. With a flathead screwdriver, push on the plastic tab of the electric connector and at the same time pull the connector so that it comes free. For the hose with a different clip, insert the flathead screwdriver between the two spurs, then lever. This should free the hose and make it possible to disconnect it. Using a flathead screwdriver, push down on the collared part of the clip of the two other hoses to disconnect it. Tip: push on the hose when you press down the clips. This will help it come away more easily. With a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, remove the two screws that hold the diesel fuel filter. You can now take off the diesel fuel filter. Put it in the container for collecting liquids. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
Unscrew the drain located under the filter. You must now separate the filter cover from the cartridge. Turn the central connector to the right and lift it off. Careful, the diesel contained within the filter will now drain out. Keeping the filter in your hand, use a multi-bit screwdriver and a 50mm Torx socket to unscrew the 3 screws found on the top. Separate the filter cartridge from the cover. Clean the cover with a cloth. Take the new filter. The new cartridge comes pre-installed with a joint. Make sure you check that the joint from the old cartridge is not stuck to the fuel filter cover. Place the cover back onto the new cartridge. And screw it in, turning the central connector anti-clockwise. Put the 3 holding screws back on the cover. Install the new filter into its housing. Fix it in place using the 2 fastening screws. You can now reclip the hoses. Don't forget to reconnect the electric connector. Before starting your vehicle, pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. Finally, put the engine cover back in place. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.